Assalamu alaikum and good morning nursery class. Hope you all are doing well. And nursery class, first of all we start our lecture. We will read the first kalma. Let's read nursery.
अव्वल कलिमा तैयब। तैयब माने पाक। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। अल्लाह के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वआलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के रसूल हैं।
First we start our work. We will do some general knowledge question in the class as we do in school. These are the 5 questions for the whole week nursery class. We will repeat these questions for the whole week, so it will fix in your mind and you don't forget these questions. Okay nursery class, are you ready? I will ask the question and you have to answer me. So our first question is, who are we? Yes, very good. Excellent nursery class. We are Muslim. This is the right answer. Very good nursery class. So we will do the next question nursery class. I also know that you know the answer. What is the name of our religion? Listen once again nursery class. What is the name of our religion? Wow, amazing. Nursery class, you are doing very well. Superb job nursery. Your answer is right. The name of our religion is Islam. Very good. So are you ready for the next question nursery class? Yes. Our next question is, what is the name of our country? Wow, Princess, you are doing very well. Great job, nursery. Perfectly right answer, nursery class. The name of our country is Pakistan. Excellent. Clap for you. Very good. So it means you are ready for the next question. Very good. So question number 4 is, what is the color of our flag? Superb job nursery. Very quick answer. I like it. Yes, the right answer is, the color of our flag is green and white. Superb job nursery class. Clap for you for that. So nursery, are you ready for the last question of the week? What we found on our flag? It means that what can you see on our flag? What is the drawing on our flag, nursery? Oh yes, a bit right. Yes, yes. I will tell you the perfectly right answer. You will answer me like this. We found star and crescent on our flag. Okay, nursery class? We found star and crescent on our flag. Well done, nursery class. You did a great job in general knowledge question. Okay. Now come to the next nursery class. Yes, nursery class, I want to tell you that today in maths classwork and homework, we will do the counting from 0 to 5. Okay. Now you will read and learn the counting with me from 0 to 5. So start reading nursery class. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Once again we will do nursery. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now nursery class, now is our time. We will look at the picture. We will count the object and tell the teacher, and after that we will write. Are you ready nursery class? Get start. So nursery class, tell me how many balls are there? Yes, this is one ball. Now how many birds are there? Exactly right. These are 2 birds. Next picture nursery class. How many cars are there nursery class? Count it. 1, 2, 3. Exactly. There are 3 cars. Now nursery class, please tell me how many dolls are in the picture. Now nursery class, count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good nursery class. There are 4 dolls in the picture. Very good. Now again look at the picture. Nursery class, for counting there is a rule that you will put finger on the picture and count slowly. Okay, one by one you will put the finger on the tree and then you will count. Now let's count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good and excellent. There are 5 trees. Now nursery, we will again watch another video for learning the number and for counting the object from 1 to 5. Ready nursery class? Now let's watch. Yes, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4 and last this is number 5. Got it nursery? Now we will count the object. This is 1 pencil. Cat. Now there are 2 pushy cats. 1 and 2. Next nursery class, balloon. Wow. There are 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. Star. Smiling star nursery class. Wow. Now count the stars nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange. Yummy. Wow. Let's count the oranges nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. Again nursery class, 1 pencil, 2 pussycats, 3 balloons, 4 stars and 5 oranges. Now nursery class, tell me how many apples are there. Count nursery class. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So write 3. So nursery class, you tell me how many blocks are colored. Only count the colored blocks. 1 and 2. Only 2 blocks are colored. So I will write only 2. Next nursery class, these are pairs. We have to color in 4 pairs. Now let's color nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will color only in 4 pairs. Now nursery class, I thought I have different object with me. Why don't you count with me? Let's start counting so our counting get better and better. Okay nursery class, see I have lots of car. Let's count the car. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nursery class, I have 5 cars. Okay nursery class, come to the chalks. Now see how many chalks I have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nursery class, you know what is the counting of the rule? Counting of the rule is that we will put finger on the object and we will count slowly. Now we will count once again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 chalks. How many chalks nursery class? 5 chalks. Now let's come to the pencils. That how many pencils I have nursery? Let's count the pencils nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nursery class, we have 5 pencils. Okay, I thought from lots of videos and lots of counting techniques, now you can learn how to count the object. Okay, now nursery class, it's your book work time. You will open your mathematics books for class KG1 and we will open its page number 3. Okay nursery class, you will open it by yourself. Look at the page. This is the page number. First of all, on the top of the page, on the right hand side, we will write the date as we will write in the classwork copy. Yes, I think you can see the date I have right on the top of the page, and in the middle of the page I will write classwork because we are doing this work in the class. C.W, which represent class work. Okay nursery class, come down. You can see the dotted line is coming down. Okay, if we come along to the dotted line, we can easily make 1. Okay, so do follow the dot. Put your finger on the top of the dot and come down. Okay nursery class, like this, like your teacher. It's very easy. Okay nursery class, now you can see we can easily make 1. Come down nursery class. Same as we have done up nursery class, you can follow the same pattern. Put your pencil on the upper dot and come down like this nursery. Okay, see, I have done the 1 and now I will do this one nursery class, and you have to do all these one like this. Nursery class, see, I have done all the dots. I have completed all the dots work. Okay, you also have do it like your teacher. Come down, nursery class. They have put one dot for us. We have to put, they have done one dot for us. We have to put pencil on it and come down like this. Our writing should be dark so I can check easily. Like this, we have to complete our whole page. Okay? You have to complete the whole page, which is page number 3. Quickly, nursery class, do it fast. I am waiting for you. Now, look at this nursery. I have completed the whole page for you, so you don't get any sort of a confusion in it. Now, our page work is completed. Now, what we have to do? We have to look at this. What is this, nursery class? This is one aeroplane. What is this, nursery class? One aeroplane. And we have to do very nice and beautiful coloring in the aeroplane. Okay, nursery class? Be careful that our color does not come out of the picture. Okay, now the teacher and we will do the coloring together. Color nursery, I am waiting for you. Now, see nursery class, your teacher have finished the coloring and how beautiful colors I have done in the picture. You can also do different colors or you can only do one color in the picture. It's your choice, nursery. Okay. So, we have done the whole page, nursery class. Now, it's your homework turn, nursery class. Look at the page number 2 and the page number 1. Okay. These are the dots and you only have to join these dots. So you will do these 2 pages in the homework. Page number 1 and page number 2 in the homework. Okay, nursery class, and you can send me anytime in the whole day. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, nursery class. So today we are going to start our board work. At this point of time, you no need to open your classwork copy. You just simply look at the board that what is teacher doing. Okay. We will start our counting from 0 to 5. Okay. First you will watch the formation of 0 to 5. In number 0, what you have to do? You only have to make simply a circle which makes 0. Okay, nursery class? This is 0. Now we will write 1. In 1, what you have to do? In next number, nursery class, number 1, what you have to do? It's more simple. We will move our pencil from up to down. Okay, nursery class? So what is this, nursery class? This is number 1. Now nursery class, move to the next number, which is number 2. In number 2, what you have to do? You have to make one curve like this and then make a slipping line. Okay, nursery class? You want to write one more time? Make a curve like this and then make a slipping line. This is number 2. Now nursery class, is turn of number 3. In number 3, we only have to make 2 curves. This curve, nursery class, and by holding the end of this, we will make a second curve. Okay, nursery class? This is number 3. Once again, nursery class, we will write one curve, nursery, and second curve. Okay, nursery? Now nursery class, move to the number 4. In number 4, what you have to do? One slanty line, nursery class. Then one sleepy line, nursery class. And then one standing line. Okay, nursery class? What is this? This is number 4. You want to write one more time, nursery? One slanting line, nursery. One sleepy line, nursery class. And one standing line. Sorry. And one standing line. Okay, nursery class? Yes, move to the next number, nursery class, which is number 5. In number 5, what you have to do? One sleeping line, then one standing line, and then at the end you will make one curve like this. Okay, nursery class? This is number 5. I think you want to write again with the teacher. One sleeping line, nursery class. Then one standing line. And then make a curve like this. So this is number 5. G, nursery class. Now you want to draw on the board, nursery class. You will tell me how many circle I have drawn, nursery class? Yes, exactly right. One circle. How many circle, nursery class? One circle. Okay. Now I will erase one, nursery class, and I will draw one more circle. Okay. Now count, nursery class, how many circles are there? 1, 2. How many circles are there, nursery class? 1, 2. So we will write here 2. Sorry. Okay, nursery class, you got it 2. Now we will erase 2, nursery class, and we will draw one more circle over here. Now nursery class, you count how many circles are there. Count with the teacher, nursery class. 1, 2 and 3. How many circles, nursery class? 1, 2 and 3. So what we will write there, nursery class? Yes, exactly right, nursery class. We will write here 3. Okay, got it, nursery class? Now move to the next number. So we will erase number 3. And now you know, I think, what we will do? Yes, exactly right. We will draw one more circle. So nursery class, we have drawn one more circle. Now you will count again with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many circles are there, nursery class? You want to count one more time? Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Superb. Nursery is doing a superb effort, nursery class. And we will write here 4. Got it, nursery? Now again we will remove the 5. We will erase the 5. Now we have removed the 4. And now you know now what we are going to do? Exactly right. We are going to draw one more circle. Very good. Yes, nursery class. Now you have to count. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many circles are there, nursery class? 5. Very good job. Clap for you, nursery. Very good. Now, nursery class, I have drawn a beautiful picture for you. In this picture, we are going to play a game. Are you ready, nursery? Yes, very good. You can see, nursery class, what is the number over here? Read with me. 1, 2. Oh, there is a missing number. Then number 4. And number 5 is, and one more number is missing. Sorry, I have told you. So, nursery class, what you have to do, you have to find the missing 2 numbers. Teacher did not write this. You have to find these 2 numbers. Okay, let's find out with the teacher. Ready, nursery class? Now, let's count one again. 1, 2. What comes here, nursery class? Yes! Wow! Nursery is doing very well. Very quick answer. Very good. Yes, here comes 3. Very good. Then number 4. And who will tell me what comes after number 4? Yes, nursery, what comes after number 4? Quickly tell me. Wow! The bravo tell me. Very good. Clap for him, nursery class. Yes, here comes number 5. So I will write here number 5. Very good. Now, nursery class, open your classwork copy and we will start our classwork. Yes, nursery class. Now, I think you have opened your classwork copies. You will do the work with the teacher. Have you opened your copy, nursery class? On the right hand side, on the top of the page, I will show you your classwork copy. Look at this. On the right hand side. Here, nursery class. Okay. You can see my finger here. Here we will write the date. On the line. Okay, nursery class. Be careful for the lines. Yes. What is date today, nursery class? Today date is 3/1/31. For 3, I have told you that we will make 2 curves. And maybe we will write 1 here. Okay. Then we will do a space. Not in the line, nursery class. Here. Okay. This is. We will put a dash. Then, nursery class, we will write 8. Because this is the month of August. Okay, nursery class, we have right here 8. Then space, nursery class, and we will write here 2, 0, 20. Are you doing the classwork with me in nursery? I will check your work. Okay. Then on the same line in the middle of the page we will write C dot W. I have told you many times that C dot W means class work. What does it mean, nursery class? Class work. Okay, nursery class, ready for your class work? So in the first line, okay, what you will write? You will write 0. I have told you that 0 is very simple. You only have to make circle. Nursery class, be careful for the lines. You will write the 0 on the line. See, I have write the 0 on line. Now next what we will do, we will leave one block. Put finger in this block and say with the teacher, leave one block. Yes, all of you say once again, leave one block. We will not write in this block. We will write here 0. Okay. Then again we will put finger in this block and say with the teacher, leave one block. What we will say, nursery class? Leave one block. And we will write 0 here. Got it, nursery class? Then again we will leave one block, nursery class, and write 0 here. Next, nursery class, what you have to do? We have to write here 0. Then we will put one finger over here and say with the teacher, leave one block. Say it once again, nursery class. Leave one block. And I have told you that how to write 1. We will move up to down like this. Okay, nursery class? Then here from this block we will put one finger, and now you remember what to say? Yes, I know you know it. Yes, leave one block, and we will write 1 here. Very good. See, nursery class, your teacher is writing on the lines, and you also have to do a very neat and clean writing. Then I will give you a star. Okay, nursery? Yes, next block you will again put a finger and say leave one block and write 1. Nursery class, you will write on your full page as the teacher write on the full board. Okay, we will write 1 here. We will put finger in the next block and we will write 2 here. Okay, nursery class, like this. Okay. Now in the next block, what we will do, we will put one finger and say with the teacher, what we will say. Now it's your turn. Yes, very good. Leave one block. And how you will write 2? You will make a curve and then one slipping line. Very good. Again, nursery class, leave one block and write 2, and you do in the whole line. Now, nursery class, we have finished the number 2 line. Now we have to write number 3. Then again we will leave one block and we will write 3. How we write 3? We will make 2 curves like this. Okay. Have you write with like the teacher? Yes. Very good. Well done. What you do in the next block? You will leave one block and you will write 3. Then again you will leave one block and we will make 2 curves. It makes 3. Done in nursery? Quickly finish your line. Now we have finished number 3. Come to the next line. In the next block, yes, I know, you know. You will leave one block and we will write here 4. How will you write 4? One slanting line, one slippy line and one standing line. See, nursery class? Very good. Then again leave one block and write down 4 once again. One slanting line, nursery, one slipping line, nursery class, and one standing line. Again leave one block and complete your line, nursery class. Now, nursery class, I have completed my number 4. Now it's turn of number 5. Again I will leave that block and I will write 5 here. You remember how to write 5? Yes. one sleeping line, nursery class, one standing line, and then make a curve on this line. Got it, nursery class? Then leave one block and write once again in the next block. Sleeping line, nursery, one standing line, nursery, and then make a curve. Okay, nursery class? Once again, leave one block and write down one sleeping line, one standing line, and then make a curve and complete your line. Now, nursery class, we have completed our classwork. You can see my page. Okay. Now, homework, you will write the same date and your homework is same as your classwork. Just only what you have to do in your homework copy, you will write here h.w. Okay, nursery class? And you will send it to me anytime in the whole day. Okay, nursery? Goodbye and have a good day.